Abena, Brony, ma, Abena, Brony, ma, Abena, Brony, ma, Papa Kumasi go abroad. Or see a hole, you want to me a war. Ni wa madane kwa. What I know fair, what do be now? Oh, Abra Wakona. He gave him a big tactical format. I sem nabe. Somebody wife us sem nabe. I feel I wanted. What the tower corners. What the corners. See I wanted. What the corners.
What's the salon? What's the salon? What are you doing? You are enjoying, relaxing on my sofa. Full squanter.
I'm into the open.
Put your leg down. Oh,
sorry.
And you are. You asked not my ethnos. You are eating it.
Oh, it was on the table and then.
Did you ask me?
Because you were not home.
So, you could have waited.
Before I take in cat.
Yes. You say what? You can't just take it like that.
I'm sorry. I didn't know.
Better.
I'm sorry.
And please, you ate yesterday, right?
Yeah.
And you left the plate for me to come and watch it for you. So what are you doing here? Please, go and wash it.
Yes. Go and wash the dishes.
Yes, you need to do it. Do you think we are in Africa?
What are you
saying?
What I'm saying is I've heard you. I will go and do it.
Yes, you need to go and wash it.
Okay.
And now.
Okay.
Hey, come back. Where are you going? I thought you were wearing this yesterday, right?
Yes, I.
And you haven't changed it?
No, because I'm not going anywhere. That is why I decided to.
That means you have not taken your bath. Here you need to bath every day. Du musst jeden Tag duschen. Do you understand?
No, I don't.
I said you need to bath every day.
Okay.
And change it.
I'm sorry.
Sorry.
What
are you saying?
What
are you
saying? I'm saying I'm going to.
Yeah, you better do. You don't talk back when I talk.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
But I'm not president. I'm going to.
Come back again. Go and take your bath before you wash the dishes. Okay? You wash the plates there.
I should go and bath before I go and wash.
And then later maybe you can bath too. I don't care. You need to take your bath before you go to my kitchen.
Okay. All right. Thank you, sister.
Gosh. Hi. Father will kill me. I will deal with this guy in this house.
What's that? It's a. So kind. I said they are more baby. I'm going to Juma. I'm going to say, you what? Let's check now. We do your baby. You feel mamma. We don't have a colony of fun and I'm going to why? Don't worry. That's a part. Now, right? It may be a mama. It's a pass over to work on how much. Right? It's good from the baby.
Oh, sister, what have I done?
What have you done? What have you done? Have you seen this? What is this? What is this?
It's body.
What is called body?
It's plantain and then.
Yeah, but you eat finish and then you did not wash it. Why? Why?
Let me wash
I told you the last time, and whenever you eat finish, you have to wash it.
I'm sorry.
What is your sorry?
Sister Bridget,
Here in Europe, you don't do it like that. We are not in Africa.
I'm sorry.
We are not in Ghana.
I'm sorry.
You need to wash it.
I hear. I'm sorry.
Or do you want me to pour it on you?
No. Don't do that. Why will you do that? Don't do that. I'm sorry.
When I...
I'm sorry, sister. I'm sorry.
Ich hab dich gewarnt.
I'm sorry.
Ich hab dich gewarnt. Nächstes Mal.
Mentally,
Nächstes Mal. Next time, I will throw it on you.
I'm sorry. Hey, na Bruni, you say no cancel the baby to audience and come papa. Eh? Bruni, you say na go baby until that's what my is play. I mean, better if you're not a sister, I'm saying me play. David, I say, how am I saying? I don't want to little rabbit man, sir. Maybe I don't say. Be free, come my baba, bam, said me a cry. I was all kind of Zabia, how you did say it here. Oh, family Cassandra, who anyhow, and I'm to be told you to say. She never to lose on my shoes more. But to lose on my shoes, me, no small boy. Only Miss Cassa, so you pull like Cassa, me, no small boy. She. Class 1, even an assessor. And I won't tell my brother, it's serious, oh. It's really serious, and it's killing me. Yeah, I'm serious. Because do you know I wash the place she eats in, she cook, I clean everything. I don't know. I don't know. Your friend is too bad, eh? Oh, I can't stay in her house again.
I don't understand why she's doing this.
I don't know.
I don't know too.
But you talk to her, she's your friend.
Yeah, but we don't talk like this. No, we have not.
Abena, why don't you take me to your house? Your sister is there. I'm okay. I'll be okay there. It's you that I'm here.
I'm sorry, but I have to go to work.
Abena, you every day when I'm in problem, I tell you I have to go to work. I have to go to work.
Sorry. I will call you later.
Abena.
Yeah, I'm late.
I see. Abena, why are you doing this? You bring me from Ghana to here to do this to me. Your friend is treating me bad.
No, calm down. I will call you when I'm back home. After work, okay?
No, it's better you take me somewhere else because your sister, I can't stay with her anymore.
Yeah, we will talk about it.
When?
I will call you later.
When?
Oh, my time.
I came, I take train, come to your place to tell you what I'm going to because I call you are busy,
Yeah, no, I will really call you later. Let me enter work so that because later I get problem there. Okay.
Abena, this life is not around my life. It's not around. It's
not
you.
Kumasi, I'm sorry. I will come. I will call you later. Let me go and then I will call you.
Is that all you can tell me?
Yes.
I should go. Then you.
For now, don't take it so serious.
What she's doing to me is not nice.
Yeah, but
a man like me cooking and washing dishes, cleaning and doing that, but she's not. Everything I do for her, she doesn't want to respect it. Everything I do for her is not okay. Everything I do, you do this, do clean here. Here is dirty. Why? I'm not getting money from me too. Why?
I call you later.
You call me later.
Come a little bit down, I will call you. Okay?
You call me later.
Yes.
I'm going through hell there. You call me later.
I will call you later.
You call me later.
I have to go to
You
work.
have to go to work?
Yes.
Why, my brother? You treating me
It's
this.
the time.
My brother, go to work. You
Okay,
go to work.
thank you.
You go to work. But, hey, necessarily we are sitting here. Hey, then come on, tell me Ghana. Oh man, hey, David, began the metro free fuel. We don't again the metro free fuel. Oh, you me lie. Also now, Titi, pass me who cook man and cook now, and I do a few at and I'm fear there. Why? Me kabiana me kwa juma matam. Me kwa Ghana kwa na asamasa.
Abena Jadi, oh, yeah, Nebra. Abraham akwara na aduane.
Mama no fo ana. Mama onum dodo.
Onum
dodo.
nti se yenye den.
Na onum dodo nti mama me de nka misusu sai koko no mole no maye hu no. Mama nso ne so. Na me nye ne twuro dodo.
Ani eno so ye. Wo ba so ne so mienu. Na aye nsuensu aye yuro bi wo kan na kesa ai se de wonum no fo no a. Yenya ne sa. Na be ma de wo ka so onum no fo a no onum no fo. Me ma pa no fo.
Amenu anajo butusu na. Otime tweme a na me mu aye se hatu.
Ya ni na so ne mole ne bi so na ka bi ma no. Oi.
Nurse for ne se me ma ne nsu o.
Nurse for na kan ye. Ni nurse for egi so mu rowura fiem. Na se me dware no ye, woni me ni di ago na no ma sa nsu agu nanum. Wanu nsu okura ache.
Ayi ba me.
Bibi akura anye no. Me di bi bobbo ne sa ni nsu odi bobbo no, nkuto ewu di afọ na adobbo no, wo da mama ne nsu. Wo se me ba na otum se ne nani age. Enti wo ma ne nsu. Woni nurse for na adwene. Mo mensu. Bibiri mi e mensu.
Wara me so ne mole ne.
So ne so na me de mama ne nsu a, ti na ya nani age me hoyi.
Mama ti na no afra mi o.
Yo ma so ha, onsu yi. Where the mebusa be wona na mawi ai.
Oh, baby, I'm free there boko. Me pacho me hwe Kumasi mame.
Kwabra Kumasi ne mame no.
Oh, nice.
Ne mame ne me wo tu kwan kora.
Oh, sir.
Okwa abrochire.
Okay.
Enche kora. Okwa abrochire. Na mama bibi se fabre ya na.
Pacho Debbie.
Ene mane nkoy.
Mama ene mama ne de boko. Pacho me na not oye madwuma wo Kumasi.
Adwuma be ya.
Madwuma ne mienu na ba ko na oda no internet cafe ne printing press. Yeah. Me na no oye adwuma mama no.
Na mo ye yi no ho. Oh, be ma ho ye.
Isu adu.
Oh, na ho boko de.
Oh, na me adu. Mama ene se mija madwuma no ho ma no etu kwan kakra. Na oba me nchen no wanya me bone no credit e ba ko wanya me bone.
He said he called you.
Yeah. He say your house, he don't know he cannot stand there for long.
Why?
He say, yeah, the way you are chasing him and hey.
But this was our plan. He hasn't seen anything.
He hasn't seen, but he's thinking like
I want him or something.
I don't know. He's totally crazy. He called me, say, hey, it's not going. Abena Kumasi is not going like that. Can I come to your house and this, yeah?
Yeah. Don't worry, I haven't had anything with him yet. You know, I let him wash the dishes. You know, I remove my clothes, but he's be like sleeping, something like that. You know, I try. You know, try to touch him. You say, I don't want to. I don't know whether he's pretending or something, but this one is just the beginning. I haven't started anything with him.
Yeah.
I forget.
So
about
he's
him.
completely confused. I was laughing. I don't know what.
So what did he tell you?
He called and say, hey, what your sister is doing, your friend is doing, this and that, and he want to come to my house.
To do what?
Yeah, to
live here?
Yeah.
Just 2 days. He wants to come.
Only for 2 days.
This one I haven't started anything with.
You don't know.
I will do more.
More than that.
I will do more. You know, I've been telling you everything about him. But you know, I don't know whether he's pretending or something. He's cool though.
Yeah.
But I have to do more.
Yeah.
I have to chase him to the bedroom. You know, I'll even let him come and clean, rub my back for me. Don't worry. You know all this. You know that's what.
Yeah. He will run. He will run.
He will leave you. My dear, how was work today?
Okay. No, work was good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Was gut.
I'm very tired. I have to go.
No problem. I just was want to tell you and yeah.
Last thing, das war mal den Anfang.
Das wird richtig lustig.
Das war mal den Anfang.
Ja.
Ich muss noch weitermachen.
Ja.
Ja, das war der Anfang. Aber you are happy now. I'm
Yeah,
just happy
no, for
to
happy
see
I
you
am.
like this. Nah?
Yeah.
That's my. You have to give him like one more week and then
Yeah.
I have to do more. This one is just the beginning.
You don't know.
But I can see you are happy.
Ja.
Das ist voll glücklich auch.
Ja, ich bin auch wirklich glücklich.
Abena Kumasi. We get Papa Kumasi and
Yeah,
Abena
man.
Kumasi.
Yeah, it's true.
Don't worry, this one is just the beginning.
Ja.
Das ist nur Anfang. Aber du siehst voll verliebt aus.
Ja,
So ganz schnell kannst du dich verlieben.
Ja, jetzt nicht so schnell, aber er gefällt mir schon.
Ja?
Ja.